Rick Sadek, Jason Rich, and Adam Snyder. It's going to be a video um, showing some of the logistics um, skills I have, I guess. I'm going to use SketchUp today. And I've been really busy, and I think I told you I'd have something by Wednesday, but it's 8:07 now. So I'm just going to do something real quick because I looked around. I couldn't really find anything specific to site logistics that was really good. So I'm just going to go ahead and make something real quick on the fly. And we're going to use your building. But basically what I'm doing here is I'm going to start SketchUp. And let's go over here. I'll save as. I don't know. Put this somewhere really quick. My resume is Snyder Langston, presentation 3. I'll say final, I guess. What we're going to do is we're going to go and find the location. We're going to bring it in here to my SketchUp file. We're going to go to the top right. We're going to go add location. And up here at the top, we're going to put your address. It's going to take me there, and as you can see, there's your building. That's where I went. We're going to select region. We're going to pin these areas on each corner. Let's make it a little bit bigger so we can see what we're doing here. And let's see. This is kind of tricky because we want to maybe have two pieces here. So we're going to make it this. And we're going to chop it there, I guess. So that's one, and then you're going to see it's going to add the location on my file, right? But I want a little bit more down here on the bottom because we're going to steal this piece of property here from your guys' neighbors across the street. So we're going to go again, and this time I'm going to shove it straight up, like right there, and hopefully it doesn't look too bad. Just there. Get this here. Okay, so there's a little bit more, and I guess what we'll do is we'll do something in here and take something, but you know, there's multiple types of softwares we can draw all this stuff with, which is Revit, Navisworks, and AutoCAD Architecture, but I'm just using this because it's probably the fastest. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to go over here and I'm going to draw your existing building, and we'll just label it as existing or whatever and put the address, I guess. So here I'm just going to go over here and just draw this building. I'm just going to draw it as a mass element, and I'm thinking that it's about 2 stories, so we'll just make it like maybe 25 feet and then leave it like that for right now. And if you want to check, if you ever want to check your buildings, you could either go to, what's this, Google Pro here, but sometimes Google Pro, if you don't have nothing drawn, it won't really show you the 3D and the heights of your building and what it looks like in elevation or in 3D. So here we got this, and let's try to flip it here. Yeah, we don't got nothing in 3D over here, only stuff out there. So nobody's ever drawn your building. Maybe we can draw it and then add it to the Google Earth here. So then you can use Google Maps might have it, and then Google or Bing Maps might have it too. So here, let's just see. I want to just make sure because I don't remember what your building looked like. So here it is, and then I want to flip it a bit. Oh yeah. So it looks like maybe 2-story. But anyways, I can show you a trick with this, and we can snatch this, and we can add these graphics to the side of this building. That's a whole another thing that we can do pretty fast too. But I just want to do a quick thing, a couple of things here. So let's do that, and then we'll say building, I guess. Sorry. There. Oh wait, I don't want to do that just yet. You have to change your UCS plane. So we're gonna go like here, here, here. Did I get that right? There. And then we're gonna use a 3D text. Let's see. Oops. Put this there, and then we're gonna rotate it. Somewhere there. And get it, stick it here. Actually, let's change the color because I don't want it to get lost in there really quick. Let's just go with something like red or whatever. This out of here. Grab that and then scale it down a bit. And then we might have to rotate it again. So take it from there to like there. This, right there. Alright, whatever. And then we get this over here. And then we are going to put all this back. We're going to put all this back. No, I'm just going to put some more text here. My daughter's here. She took my power cord on my laptop, so I hope it doesn't mess up the graphics too much. So put the address here. Actually, we can't do that again. We need to put the UCS back, so we're going to go like this. Yeah. And then 3D text. Put the address. Maybe make this like 4 feet, I guess. I don't know. This. Somewhere right there. So we'll put that like that. And you can make the text however big you want, 3D, whatever. So that is where we're at right now, but we want to steal this slot here, so I'm going to put the view back here like that, and then we're going to draw this lot here and just make it some dirt for right now. We'll add different stuff to it. So we're going to start here. What's going on here? Start over. You don't want to be in orbit when you start that. You'd rather be in pan. So you're just going to go like that. And then you're going to go like that, because that's what happened to me there. So now I'm going to hit A, right, for arc. And start from there, there, and then there. And then we're going to go L for line. And then we're just going to take it down. I think I'm getting sick here. So, sorry about that. Let's take this back down to what we're going to do is we're going to add a little bit of height to it just so it stands out. And I can bring in some texture or whatever. We can just use the ones that are there just for right now. Let me see what we got. We'll just use that for right now. So far we got this. And we can bring in some stuff here from my library. We got a lot of stuff we can use from the 3D warehouse, but I'm just going to bring in a few things here, like equipment. Place those over there. These. Let's explode them real quick. And then we're going to get some of these and move them over here. See the axis line? You want to follow that. But it looks like that thing. It needs to be adjusted a little bit. But basically what happens is when you move these objects, you want to go with the different coordinates, and you hold down shift and it takes it for you. It moves it, I mean. So we can bring in all kinds of equipment, whatever we need. And there's a ton of things I have, libraries. But right now I'm just going to show you how to draw these existing buildings real quick. So we can change our UCS to match the building, so that way we can just draw rectangles. So if you're doing a large lot and then you don't like to draw individual lines, you just go like that and it changes automatically. And then we can change all these to whatever they need to be. Change it like 30 feet. Different buildings, and change those to whatever color based on what phase they're going to go in, or whatever happens to whatever work we're doing here. And then take this down here, this down there. And then you got another one, 30 feet, 20 feet. Depends on what the drawings say. There's another one. So you guys get the general idea. So like right now there could be you could bring in a lot of stuff. We can bring in arrows for the trucks, path of travel, whatever. Yeah, import. I think I have something I call arrows or something. I don't know. So here you put some. So yeah, you can do that. Let's see what else. And we can do the mass here. We can do mass here. You know, straw building here, like so. Maybe like 50 feet. Whatever. And then maybe another parking structure here. And, you know, make these any color you want. Right now I just have it like that, but I can change it. So we can do that, or we can get a little more technical. So let's just get this stuff out of here. You can leave that as is, right? Save it. Now I can